Hey there! Do you want to earn some extra cash using your language skills? Well, have you heard about ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can generate high-quality content on any topic. And now, you can use it to earn money. Here's how it works. Companies and businesses are always in need of high-quality content for their websites, social media, and other marketing materials. By using ChatGPT, you can generate this content quickly and easily. All you need to do is sign up for a freelancing platform and offer your ChatGPT services. You can charge per word, per article, or even per hour. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional writer to use ChatGPT. As long as you have a good understanding of the English language, you can generate high-quality content that businesses will be happy to pay for. So what are you waiting for? Start using